welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the things about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. There is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that participants enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rates and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various free plans and daily policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. All details check in the description So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.